The new Kia Sportage is all about stress-free driving and keeping you and others safe. For example, blind spot detection and lane change assist technologies help you change lanes safely. Radar sensors in the rear bumpers monitor the area behind the Sportage that you can't see. If there's a vehicle in your blind spot, a warning symbol in the exterior mirror appears. If you ignore this and indicate to change lanes regardless, the symbol starts to flash and you'll hear a warning sound. The same radar technology also powers the rear cross-traffic alert, which helps you reverse out of a parking space by warning you of approaching vehicles that you may not be able to see.